$8,000 of debt, 8 months. Here is the exact 4-step system I used, and why most people could do this faster than they think. Step 1. I listed every debt I had, every single one. Credit cards, car loan, medical bills, total balance, interest rate, minimum payment, everything on one page. Step 2. I ranked them by interest rate, highest to lowest, not by balance, by rate. This is the order I attacked them. Step 3. I found $800 a month in extra payment money, not from earning more, from cutting. Subscriptions I forgot I had, eating out less, a small side hustle on weekends, $800. Step 4. I threw every dollar of that $800 at debt number 1 while paying minimums on everything else. When debt 1 was gone, everything went to debt 2. 8 months later, $8,000 gone. The math is not complicated. The discipline is the hard part. But seeing your debt-free date get closer every month on my tracker made the discipline easier than I expected. $17. The tracker that keeps you on track. Link in bio.